Cannot use Keras models on Mac M1 with BigSur. I am trying to use sequential model from Keras of TensorFlow. When I am executing following statement. Model.fit x_train, y_train, epochs equals 20, verbose equals true, validation_data sad smiley x_dev, y_dev, batch_size equals 10. I am getting following errors. I TensorFlow compiler mlir_graph_optimization_pass.cc column 116, none of the mlir optimization passes are enabled, registered to w.cc column 126, failed to get CPU frequency column 0hz. f.cc column 710, check failed column 0 is lower than clocks, 0 vs.0, type column CPU. I am not able to understand how to fix it. Can anyone please help me? From this issue on GitHub, I understood that device.frequency returned 0 probably because nominal Q frequency returned 1. However, this information seems too abstract for me and I cannot understand.
First two ones are nothing to worry about. The third one is a problem. You have installed an improper version of TensorFlow. Use one that supports the Mac M1 chip. Run the following bash script to download and install TensorFlow. Ref this URL.
Create a venv on x86 terminal, i.e. Rosetta terminal, c, this URL, i.e. environment setup, x86, AMD. Create venv, python 3 mvenv/path/tensorflow metal, substitute path with your real path. Activate the venv, source. Pip, python mpip install, upip. Install any library/package you need. For instance, pip install matplotlib jupyterlab. Install base TensorFlow. Python mpip install TensorFlow macOS. Install metal plugin. Python mpip install TensorFlow metal. Good luck and cheers.
This might not help at all, but since I was running into the same problem, I managed to get the model to train without the solutions provided here, that I will soon try, simply by changing my y_test, zeros and ones, like this when making the train_test_split, to categorical label. So. Then, when training the model, I get the following message, that I do not understand fully. The 3rd of April 2022 23:10:08.941296. Break time equals 1s, break, plugin optimizer for device_type GPU is enabled. So, this is not really a solution, but more a temporary workaround, or it might give insight in where it goes wrong.